When it comes to helping students truly understand their chosen career field, Missouri Southern knows there's no substitute for hands-on experiences. That's why the university offers immersive learning experiences designed to put theory into practice. Matthew, a sophomore majoring in criminal justice administration, knows full well the value of these opportunities as he prepares for a career in law enforcement. Tell us more, Matthew.
Hey Alex, my father worked in law enforcement for most of my life, and he also inspired me to serve my community. It took me a while to realize this, but when I did, I just knew I had to go to college. And coming to Missouri Southern State University was one of the best decisions I ever made. Missouri Southern has given me opportunities to make my college experience better than I could have imagined. Project Stay, a program here on campus designed to help first-generation college students, helped me find a path to go to school for free and pursue my degree in criminal justice. The labs in the criminal justice department are designed to teach the practical knowledge and skills we'll need in our careers. From the CSI lab to the firing range, they provide much-needed, hands-on, immersive learning and keep us on the cutting edge when it comes to the criminal justice field. And it's not just the criminal justice department that focuses on immersive experiences. Whether you're taking and testing samples from the biology pond, suiting up to learn about chemical and biological hazards in our environmental health and safety program, or managing a real financial portfolio in the Edward Jones Investment Center, MSSU works to ensure our students can put their skills into practice. I want to apply everything I've learned in my law enforcement studies to help others, hopefully with the U.S. Marshals Service, which has been a dream of mine for a while now. Passing it back to you, Alex.
Thank you for sharing, Matthew. We wish you all the best in your law enforcement career, a field that requires a deep commitment to serving your community. Thank you again.